Good day, can you please tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir. I'm Luisami Palmos from Catanagan, San Enrique, Iloilo, 32 years old. I have a child, and eldest is 13 years old, and the youngest is 1 year old. I graduating a high school grad.
Okay, and how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 4 sisters and 5 brothers, and number 4 in my family.
Okay, and since you have 2 kids, are you the one who is taking care of them since they were born?
Yes, sir.
And who will take care of them when you work abroad?
My mother, sir.
And how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I have working and understanding, sir.
And are you a happy person too?
Yes, sir.
And do you have work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
Yes, sir. I'm from Malaysia. I have a 3 years contract, and then I have a 2 couple. I have a 2 kids. I have a youngest is newborn, and the eldest is 1 year old.
Okay, and what is your duties in the family?
Duties is a priority the children, and then helping for my employer to cook, and then cleaning all around.
Okay, and so you are doing household works. So you work in Malaysia for 3 years to a couple with 2 kids, newborn and 1 year old.
Yes, sir.
And do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you have a surgical operation or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to able to send my family money, and then I have to build a house.
Okay, you want to send your children to school and build a house.
Yes, sir.
And if you get tired, who will take care of your children?
My mother, sir.
And what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working abroad?
I sleep at 10 around, I finish my work, and then I wake up in the morning at 5 a.m. sir.
So you work 10 p.m. in the evening when your work is done, and 5 a.m. in the morning you wake up.
Yes, sir.
And are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
And in Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I speak and slowly, and then understand, and I can patience, sir.
Oh, so you will be more understanding and be more patient to them. And if you are homesick, what would you do?
I can focus my work, and then I trust myself, and I can need for my family.
Okay, so, and do you have an allergy to a certain food?
No, sir.
Do you accept no day off but employer will pay you instead?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help them do the houseworks there?
Yes, sir.
And can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
And are you willing to share them with the kids?
Yes, sir.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
I check the temperature, and then I call my mother if I'm sick, and then.
Okay, so you will check the temperature of the baby and you will call your employer if the
Yes,
baby
sir.
is sick. And do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
And do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Do you smoke? Do you promise? Will you promise that you will finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
And can you sing a nursery song?
Baba black sheep, have you anyone? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bars for.
Okay, thank you. And can you please send a short message to your future employer?
If you have a silly, you can try my best to understand, and then thank you, mom, sir.
Okay, so if your employer will select you, will you do your best to do all your duties and responsibilities, and you will take good care of your employer's children as your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all for today, and thank you for coming.
Thank you, sir.